in this video today we are going to show how to show or hide the bookmark bar from the Google Chrome. For this we will click this three dot option and then find the settings option. From the settings menu we are seeing the left side the bar and click the appearance, then a window will open here, and then on the toggle option you can see the show bookmark bar option, and this bookmark bar option right now is enabled, so that's why we are seeing we are able to see this bookmark bar. So when we will click this toggle option, then this will be hide. Okay, so now we are clicking this toggle option to hide this bookmark bar. Okay, this already clicked and the bookmark bar is hide. And if